Fowler all-angle V-block and clamp. The sides of this clamp set are parallel while the V is central and ground with a central hole provided for drilling or removing pins. V-block set has 4 3/8-inch, 16 tapped holes, 2 in the bottom and 1 on each side for angle non-clamping, used for grinding, milling, or drilling. The fishtail set gets into areas no other gouges will fit. These delicate-looking hand tools allow you to carve tiny details, and their unique shape makes them surprisingly versatile. Fishtail gouges have a longer shaft that only flares out to the sweep and side near the end. This shape allows you to fit into tight areas, and with practice, allows you to carve a variety of curves and shapes with just the corner of your chisel. This wood chisel set includes 4 well-made carving tools in the following sizes: 6 mm, 12 mm, 19 mm, 25 mm, which can meet different requirements and suitable for a variety of scenarios. This complete chisel set is suitable not only for professional woodworker, but also for amateurs. Each angle clamp includes 2 rubber pads to protect your wood pieces from any damage. The pads can be removed for bigger wood pieces to fit. Not only for the 90-degree angle, T-joints, but also for the 45-degree saw. The 4 set clamps for woodworking are made of durable ABS plastic and strong tension spring for firm clamping. The woodworking clamps are easy to use. You can open this clamp with one hand, and the other hand is free for the workpiece, convenient and simple. The clamp will be a best gift for woodworkers, handymen, and DIY. Features easy-to-read precision laser engraved scales. Protractor allows direct angle reading to the miter saw. Perfect for crown molding, trim work, and a variety of other carpentry applications. Saker miter saw protractor is of O-shaped design during operation and ensures smooth and precise read on inside, outside corners, crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum alloy. This versatile set of T-tracks was designed to help provide you with a limitless amount worktable configurations, while optimizing your jigs, fixtures and workbenches. It features a unique double-cut profile with an inside groove that accepts standard 1/4-inch hex bolts, 1/4-inch T-bolts and 5/16-inch T-bolts. This makes it more cost-effective and easier for you to maximize both your new and previously owned hardware. The 2-in-1 design turns 2-step countersinking into a 1-step operation. This can make perfect countersink holes for both flush set and plugged screws, without splitting the wood and enjoying neat projects with drill bit sets, and the 1/4-inch hex shank can be used with power drills and quick-change chucks. The tool features a depth-adjustable nylon stop collar. It can adjust for different length screws and produce a counterbore hole on the wood and ensure consistent countersink depth. Also protect the work surface and anti-clog debris cavities.
The 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor that drives 4,800 RPM, delivering extended power and durability. This miter saw features a horizontal grip handle with a center-located safety trigger for left or right-handed use. The 9/10 on the stainless steel miter plate and 11 miter locations allows for 50-degree cuts left or right, with 11 positive stop positions at commonly used angles. The tool comes equipped with a cam miter lock knob for repeatable accuracy, durability, and easy adjustments, while the tall sliding fences support 4.5-inch base molding vertically and 6 to 1/4-inch crown molding vertically nested. The LED shadow line provides high-precision cuts with greater accuracy than traditional lasers, while the lightweight design and built-in carrying handle provide convenience and portability. The quick work clamp quickly secures materials for safer cutting. Workus integrates the complete functions of roller stand, sawhorses, V-shaped and multi-directional rollers, which can realize flexible movement of boards, fixed rolling of round materials, expansion of sawing machines, and also the function of workbench. Make you enjoy the fun of do-it-yourself. Workus adjustable roller stand allows 10-step adjustment in the height range of 33-inch-50 and can follow the work situation for leveling. The sturdy double locking lever and wedge-shaped design of the lifting column ensure no more sliding and accidental drops while you are working. 7 ball-bearing multi-directional rollers made of high-quality steel with zinc-plated surfaces will not rust while gaining a smooth rolling experience. Polished directional rollers and V-shaped rollers have superior sealing design, even in a dusty workshop, also will not reduce the rotational performance.
The Triton TPT 125 is a high-performance benchtop planer with 12.5-inch, 317 mm cutting width. This Triton planer has a cutter height from 1/8 inch to 5.9 inches. Precise setting of the cutting depth is easy with the graduated depth crank handle and clear, easy-to-read thickness scale. 4-post column design for rigidity and smooth, accurate vertical movement for precise results. Large in-feed and out-feed tables provides added material support for long workpieces.